This Duldung's Ausweis up here, the 60A 5B1. It is what we call Duldung Light. And when you have been given this Duldung by the authorities, it shows that you have been non-cooperative in respect to the papers that are demanding from you. For example, identification papers like a passport. What you have to know is it is different from the other normal Duldung. Okay, so with this Duldung, you are more restricted. Your rights to anything are more restricted than the normal Duldung. And don't forget to know that the normal Duldung already restricts you in so many things, but this one restricts you the more. So if we have to compare this to the normal Duldung, which is the 60A verse 2, it's going to be more restrictive. The other person can apply for an Ausbildungsduldung. They might grant it to the person. The other person can apply for a work permit to do a particular work restricted only to that job, which is the normal Duldung. They will give it to the person. But you, with this Duldung Light, okay, this 60A 5B1, you will not be given that opportunity. So your integration opportunities are limited because the housing behavior, the foreign office or the authorities sees it on their own side that they have for many years asked you to produce identification papers and you have been on denial. And they consider you to be on denial because you have never proven to them to what extent you have tried to get these papers and it is not possible. So if, for example, you've already applied a passport at your embassy, then you have to show them this confirmation. There's always a paper that you get when you apply for passport, okay? That paper, that confirmation paper that, okay, you have applied for passport and the passport is taking so and so time before it can be delivered to you. You have to show it to them. So if you gather all these papers to show that you have been cooperating, but the problem that you have not gotten the passport is not lying on your own hands, then they might change you back to the normal Duldung, which is a 60A2.